Okay, so here's Josh's, the body 3. It's like about how did the event on July 20th, 1969 help restore America's confidence? And how many people were involved in this? And I don't think I wrote that question well enough. I guess I was trying to say, if you went through all the missions, all the Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo missions, maybe you could count the missions. I could have said how many missions. There I did, how many missions. Because there were several Mercury, several Gemini, and then several Apollos. So if you can kind of add to that, so we could explain that, it didn't sound like one day we got on a rocket and went there. Use your own words to explain how you think this achievement affected America's confidence and pride. And there, hold on, I got some suggestions here. Okay. So we'll just blend this into the conclusion. What was the point of the space race? Okay, I found this great quote right here from President Nixon at the time. For one priceless moment in the whole history of man, all the people on this earth are truly one. People from all over the world watched a man walk on the moon, and it kind of changed the way we saw each other. And then within the same video I put about them walking on the moon, there is a video about, I think it's at 2:40. It says something like it became something more, because it explains how in 1975 there was a Soyuz Apollo mission where two of them worked together, United States and Soviet Union. And then if you blend that into one of the space books, it explains how this International Space Station has united countries in this exploration of space, because it says how many countries work together to build it. As a matter of fact, since 2012, the only way to get to the International Space Station is for Americans to fly to Russia. And we've been hitchhiking rides with Russia to the space station for 8 years. And it costs about $80 million per trip. So that's a different research paper. But if you can kind of add in there something about how the space race led to more cooperation than it did competition.